In this video, we are going to solve the takeover room from Try Hack Me, which is focused on Linux subdomain enumeration. The room description is very clear. We are given a website and we only have to first enumerate the subdomain and then find the flag from there. And there is only one question, which is to submit the flag. So click on Access Machines and download your OpenVPN credentials. I already have my credentials in my Kali box. So open the terminal and connect to Try Hack Me VPN with sudo openvpn command. Now start your machine. It takes around a minute to start up. So on our Kali machine, we are connected with OpenVPN. Open a new tab and type in ifconfig. So we have a new interface with the name of tunnel 0. Now the next step is to have some word list so that we can brute force the subdirectories and subdomains. You can install seclist with sudo apt install command. I already have seclist installed. So our target machine has started up. Just copy its IP address and try to ping it. So our target machine is up. Now let's scan the target with Nmap. -SS is for stealth scan, SV is for version enumeration, and -O is OS enumeration. We need to run this command with sudo privileges. Repeat the command with sudo. Now in another terminal, open your host file. Add the IP address of the machine and the domain name. Now save it. So our Nmap scans are back. And we can see that there are only 3 ports open, 422, 80 and 443. Now open the web browser. Let's visit the target website. So there is only home page on the website. Let's try to brute force the subdomains. Let's first do it with Gobuster. Just use the command gobuster vhost with URL and the dictionary file, which is top 1 million from seclist. -K flag ignores all certificate errors and --append domain add domains to the word list. And we get 2 subdomains which are blog and support. Now let's try to enumerate subdomains with FFUF. Just use the command as shown on the screen. We are using the same word list. -H is for host. We are getting a lot of false positives. Just filter these results with -fs flag and give it a size of 4605. And you can see that it has also listed blog and support as subdomains. Let's try to enumerate HTTP version of the website. Just remove H from HTTPS and repeat the command. Now change the filter size to 0. And we get 2 additional subdomains. Now let's add these subdomains to our host file. Open your host file and add these. Let's first of all open the blog. If you get an SSL error, click on Advanced and accept the risk. There is nothing important here. Let's just check its certificate. You can go to security and view certificate. There is nothing here as well. Now let's just visit the support page. Just check its certificate. And you can see that we get an additional subdomain in DNS name. Just visit it and you will get the flag. If you cannot visit the subdomain, just add this subdomain to your host file. Now just copy this flag and paste it in Try Hack Me. And click Submit. And we have successfully completed Takeover Room from Try Hack Me.